Hey guys, this next piece of technology I want to share with you is something called Kahoot. Maybe you guys have already heard of it. I didn't hear about it until last year, my first year teaching. It's basically like it's kind of a review game type of a system or platform that kind of is a really easy way for you to review content with your kids. Another way, so basically how it works is, say I wanted to do a review over Lord of the Flies, for example, I'd go to Discover here, and then it'll pull up a search bar, and then you could type in Lord of the Flies, and they'll have a bunch of these already put together. And so, see, like this one has 58 questions, and somebody already took the time to like kind of create a quiz for Lord of the Flies. You don't even have to do it yourself. So you just click on this, and then here's all the questions that it'll ask the kids. And while they're getting signed in, so you press play, and your kids will also get on Kahoot, and then it'll send them a code, or you'll give them the code. So here's the pin, and they'll put that into their computer. And then once all those are in, you press play.
Lord of the Flies, and I think it was.
We'll need to do that, but you'll press play, and then it'll let them start. So I mean, I can't start it right now because I don't have any kids, but and it'll keep track of their answers, which ones you get right, which ones they get wrong, and then at the end there'll be a score. And so it's an easy way for you to create kind of a fun competition in your class. Just kind of another one of those review game type activities that kids tend to really like. So I use it a lot in my classroom. I think it's really useful, and if next time you want to do a review thing, you might give it a shot. So appreciate you watching my video.